Meet Zoho OneAuth, the most secure multi-factor authentication app with biometric authorization available across devices. Do you find yourself forgetting passwords? Say hello to passwordless sign-in and experience one-tap secure access to your Zoho account. Also, manage all your sessions and devices from a single place. But hold on, we've got more. Now, secure all your online accounts with two-factor authentication using OneAuth itself. Back up your accounts to the Zoho cloud and sync them to any devices you want. Lost access to the OneAuth app? Or stuck in the loop when reinstalling? Don't worry, we've still got you covered. Just use your passphrase to restore OneAuth and all your backed up accounts on any device. Juggling between multiple Zoho accounts? Now you can secure all your Zoho accounts and manage them from a single app. OneAuth is a comprehensive app that can solve all your authentication needs. Download Zoho OneAuth now.